In 1928, the horse show was moved to its current beautiful location, the bucolic Broad Hill Equestrian Preserve in Mayhew. You know, this is a place of true distinction. It has been honored as one of only 20 heritage horse shows in America. It was recently voted one of America's top 10 horse shows, and also as the newest addition to the National Show Hunter Hall of Fame. The peak of the summer social season has always been the horse show, with its parties and pageantry. Here, the glories of Blowing Rock before air conditioning can be recaptured. For many years, the Blowing Rock Fashion Show was held in connection with the horse show at the beautiful and exclusive Mayview Manor Hotel. This charity event attracted Blowing Rock's social elite and raised funds for many worthy causes, including the Blowing Rock Hospital. You know, this special relationship between horses and Blowing Rock, it dates back before the turn of the century. Today, the economic impact of the horse show is over $7 million annually in a small town like Blowing Rock. Competitors, owners, staff, they come, they rent accommodations, they eat in our communities, and they spend a lot of money here. Good luck, by the way, going out to dinner during the horse show, because reservations are impossible.